Let's take a look at this lamb here. Really fantastic. Lots of lemon, garlic, that cumin. Nice little bit of pink, as you can see. That's how I like it. Lovely, lovely. Let's go and do it. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you have not already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, we're going to do some lamb steaks. Lamb steaks, as you can see, I'm serving with some green beans, mashed potato, bit of feta cheese, and we've got some lovely onions and tomatoes and olives there. Really simply, we're going to put some smoked paprika, garlic, lemon, olive juice. It's just really wonderful. Touch of cumin. Really easy, simple steaks. This is a leg of lamb. You can use any steak cut that you want. Super easy. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's get started here. What we've got here is some lamb steaks. This is actually lamb leg that's been cut into steaks. You can use a different cut if you want. Spices, salt and pepper, cumin and smoked paprika. That's what I'm using today. And teaspoon of each, let's say. Equal parts, like a quarter cup of lemon juice and olive oil. A nice tablespoon of garlic. That's a kind of pureed paste garlic form. You can just chop it if you want, but plenty of garlic. And as you can see here, I've got some fresh rosemary, which always works so well with the lamb. Really simply, what we're going to do is we're going to get all these guys, we're going to mix it onto our meat, and then we can get over to the cooker. So could not be easier. Mixing bowl. Let's drop in that lovely fresh rosemary. And if you haven't got fresh rosemary, you can use a dried one, but fresh, definitely better. Lemon juice. Olive oil. We're then going to go with those spices. Let's just go over those again. Equal parts here, cumin, smoked paprika, salt and pepper. I think that's a really nice combo. And then the garlic. Let's get that right there. What we've got to do is give that a mix. So you can do it with a spoon or get straight in with your hand and give it a nice little mix around. If you wanted, you could leave this in a refrigerator overnight and let it really do its thing. But we're in a bit of a rush today, so we're just going to get it all over, mix it about, get over to the cooker. Okay, so here we are. I've got a nice flat skillet. Our lamb there, beautifully mixed. So we're just going to take that out, drop that in. Now, like I say, this is a leg cut. It's going to be fairly tender. It's going to need to cook for a little while. Bit of fat on there. But any balance like that, let's just get it straight in and on. And you notice that I didn't start this off with any oil because we've just put oil onto the lamb. Simply, on a fairly lively heat, we're going to let this go for about 4 minutes, then we're going to flip them over, another 4 minutes, then take a look. Delicious. Okay, so I'm happy with my steaks. They've been going for, like I say, about 8 minutes, 4 minutes aside. You can cook them a bit longer if you wanted to, or less. Let's get them out on a plate. And what we're going to do next is I really don't want to waste all this lovely goodness in there. We've got lovely burnt garlic, crispy bits of rosemary. Let's get that heat up a little bit. Just going to throw a little bit of onion into that. A few olives. Absolute goodness in there. It's just beautiful on the side there. Still very lemony. And then just one piece of tomato, like a regular sized tomato. We're going to throw that around for 3 minutes, high heat, keep it moving and get all that goodness over these veg. Okay, just turn the heat off there. Nice crunch on the tomatoes and the onions. That's just beautiful, just on the side there, you know. I'm going to serve this with some mashed potatoes and some green beans. Let me just grab a piece of that lamb so you can see it. I hope you can see that. So it's cooked, got a nice little pinkness to it, which is why I want it to be. Okay, let's plate it up. Okay, and there we go. Absolutely wonderful, really easy. Lovely lamb, green beans, mash, little bit of feta cheese, I like that on the side there, and a little bit of onion and tomato with the olives there. Really, really delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon just below as well for notifications. We will see you soon. Lovely. Lots of lamb love.